Sa ibang balita, tiniyak ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na mananagot sa batas ang mga umano'y umabuso at maling paggamit ng Priority Development Assistance Fund o PDAF. Sinabi ito ng Pangulo sa pangamba ng ilan na posibleng maisantabi ang umano'y pananagutan ni Janet Lim Napoles, ang umano'y mastermind sa ₱1 pork barrel scam. Wala rin anyang mali sa ginawa ng Office of the Solicitor General na magbigay ito ng opinyon sa parusang ipinataw kay Napoles sa kasong serious illegal detention.
Try to assess. Kasi parang selective yung pinira eh. Hindi naman lahat na dapat. It's a source for the gander. The criminal action must proceed against all who are responsible. That's the principle. Criminal action should proceed against all persons responsible for the law. That's the principle behind it. I think it's right. I agree with because your job, even if you are the prosecutor, I have done that several times when I was a prosecutor. I myself would move for the dismissal of the case, especially one yung fabricated, planted evidence, and gano'n. Ako talaga nagsasabi because your honor, the evidences